Hello YouTube, I'm Mr. X and today I'm gonna talk about one very exciting project that is about to launch their ICO soon. The project name is Gems and they're rocketing right now. Their Telegram group is almost 30,000 people as for now, and they managed to grow so fast only for a few weeks. Can you imagine? If you want to join to the whitelist for the pre-sale, follow the link below, but be aware that it will expire in few hours. Be aware also that because they are oversubscribed right now, you have to provide some kind of proof of care in order to be sure you will participate in the token sale. In the article below you will find what kind of proof of care you can do in order to guarantee your spot in the whitelist. All useful links are in the video descriptions below, so let me start. What's the idea behind the project? Well, as you know, in the world of computers and the internet, there are kinds of work that cannot be done by computers themselves. Under these circumstances, human intervention is needed, and the case where such activity is required are not very few. These things people have to do instead of computers are called microtasks. Microtasks can be of a different nature, such as training artificial intelligence to recognize objects or of photos, collecting and providing statistical information from different sources, or browsing images on some website for obscene content. The trend is that there is a growing need for people to do such microtasks with each passing year. The idea of platforms that provide microtasks and guaranteed pay for their implementation is not new. In 2005, Amazon launched Amazon's Mechanical Turk, with the platform being the #1 online market for microtasks in the world. So, what's the problem here, you will ask? Well, the main problem currently exists is that the platforms that provide microtasks actually play the role of a dealer or a middleman who takes a high percentage of the profit for a completed task because it connects the bidder and the job seeker. For example, Amazon's Mechanical Turk can safely hold up to 40% of the amount earned, which for me is absurd. Another major problem is the difficulty in determining whether a task is being performed. Therefore, sometimes given tasks are done by many people to have a higher percentage of security for the task to be performed correctly. This in turn is a waste of resources. Another problem is that there is still a large percentage of people who can contribute to this industry but do not have bank accounts. This makes it impossible for these people to perform microtasks on any platform and at the same time receive rewards. Last but not least, microtasks platforms are far from good graphical environments, and in most cases the graphical work environments that people have to use are mostly provided directly by the guarantors. This is a prerequisite for the difficulty of using the graphical environments that guarantors provide. And here comes Gems. The idea behind Gems is actually very simple and unique: to create a platform for offering microtasks, and the team will use the blockchain to implement it. This will allow for direct peer-to-peer connection and a digital contract between a contractor and a microtask guarantor, as well as a direct payment in the form of a crypto data. In this way, the absurdly high fees that current platforms impose will be eliminated. All those who do not have bank accounts will be given the opportunity to receive their reward in the form of a cryptocurrency. As a bonus for eliminating major issues, Gems team will work to improve the effectiveness of confirming completed tasks. GEMS will also aim to provide well-designed, reusable and beneficial graphical environments with which people once familiarized and trained will have a higher performance rate when they accept microtasks of similar nature but different guarantors. As a blockchain technology, GEMS will use Ethereum with GEMS token based on the ERC20 token standard being used as a payment unit. And now I want to show you the team behind the project. So here they are. The GEMS team is perhaps one of the most exciting and powerful parts of this project. The creation of GEMS features some incredibly prominent personalities. Some have been involved in the creation of cryptocurrencies, and some have been contributors to the creation of Twitter, Medium, ReCAPTCHA, and GIFs.com. So here's the website, and one of the co-founder is Rory O'Reilly. The creators, Rory and Kieran O'Reilly, are brothers who have studied at Harvard. Rory studied psychology and economics, and his brother Kieran studied computer science. In 2014, however, they both left Harvard to look for a better future and development for themselves by going to the Silicon Valley, California, where they also managed to create GIFs.com. And here are the advisors of the project. The first advisor is Bistone. He is a co-founder of Twitter and Medium, as you can see, and the rest of the advisors, you can check them out in their official website. So what conclusions can we make from all of this information? Well, GEMS is really more than just a cryptocurrency. GEMS is a product of great potential, targeting a niche from the labor market, which has so far overlooked the people involved in it. The goal of GEMS is to optimize, improve and refine this process by incorporating technology that is now time to be adopted as the currency exchange standard, the cryptocurrency. Last but not least, the GEMS team is made up of people with outstanding achievements and good experience, which in turn greatly enhances the guarantee of success in implementing this project. I want to show you their blog. So here in the blog of GEMS, they stating that the pre-sale will start in mid-January, and the token metrics will be announced in mid-January. So stay tuned, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Subscribe. Peace out.